how to connect HayDay with Facebook. So if you want to connect HayDay with Facebook, then just follow the process. Connecting HayDay with Facebook can help invite your Facebook friends to play HayDay with you. You can see what your friends are doing and see if your progress in HayDay from your Facebook. So to connect your HayDay from Facebook, firstly, make sure that HayDay application is updated. You need to just open up your Play Store, search for HayDay. Now, if you have any updates, you need to go and update it. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. You can do this update in your App Store or on your Play Store. Then start by opening the HayDay application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account and look for the settings option, which will be in the top left corner of your screen, which will take you to the game settings. And you'll notice that you'll have options to edit your game. You can also connect HayDay using your Game Center or log in using your Supercell. Now, as you can see that here you will have Supercell written right below HayDay, right? Which means you'll be able to log in to your HayDay with your Supercell, but you won't be able to connect your HayDay with your Facebook because that option has unfortunately been removed. So HayDay does not allow connecting with Facebook because according to HayDay Facebook page, this Facebook login has been expired in 2021 due to the technical reasons, and they stopped supporting the Facebook feature. So you can go and try Supercell. That's the only way, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.